Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on the pre-order traversal. It is a tree question. As we all know, that tree has nodes, left child left node and right node. Here one is the root element, two is the left child, and three is the right child. And for two is the right, two is the root, and four is the child left child, and five is the right child. So in pre-order traversal, basically first we go through root, then left, then right element. So in this tree, one is the root element, two is the left child, and for this left child, now we'll go through inside our root. Now two is the root element, we will go to the left, then right, then we will come back and we will travel right for one. In that we will traverse 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. So the code for the Java is that firstly we define the if the root is null, if there is nothing, the element is null. So we'll return the pre-order as null. As we have to travel in all the nodes, so we'll put them in a stack. So firstly, the root element will be in the stack. Then we will go through in this. We will travel through the left right element in the node structure that we have defined in 1032 to 108. So the node current is root value is the current node. So for storing the result, we have to return the array list of integers. So we'll make a variable of res. Now we will travel from starting to end. So the current size until the stack size will be null. That if we are traversing until the stack is null, or either the we are traversing to null. So firstly we will traverse, and for pre-order we will store the firstly the root element. That's why we have stored the release before the traversing to the left, and for then we will this is the traversing for right. If we have to traverse in order traversal, then we will be placing here after the left. If it was a post order, then we will be placing here after the popping, and then we will return the released. That's all.